Hello friends, how are you doing today? So today we'll be dealing with how we can reveal our Taobao account number on Alipay and how we can reveal the name card on Alipay, because since they have done the apps update, you will be able to see that once you update the application, you will not be able to see your Taobao account number fully and your Alipay account number fully. So this video will deal with that, and I want you to make sure you like and subscribe to this channel because this will encourage me to be able to do more. So let's dive into it. If your Taobao account number is showing something like this on the screen, the right thing to do is to just try to download an app called Taobao App. Okay, so this is what to do. If you don't have the Taobao application on your phone, you just need to go to your app store. That is if you are using an iPhone. Just go to App Store and type in Taobao. The logo of the Taobao is like what you are seeing on the screen right now. If you are using Android, I will just guide you through this. Don't worry. So you just need to go to your Google Chrome, come to your search bar and type in taobao.com, or you should just search for Taobao. Okay, Taobao. So maybe you shouldn't add the .com now because I want it to take you to where you can search as an international user. Okay, so click on Taobao and click on this and search for it. So once you search for it, you will see something like m.international, that is m.intl.taobao.com. okay, so just click on it. On the screen you will see that it has displayed the Taobao's website for me and it has already translated, and that is the reason I usually say that whenever you want to visit a website that is not written in English, either it is written in Turkish language or either it is written in Chinese language or Arabic language, just make sure you are searching the website through your Google Chrome app. Okay, so let's dive into it. So right now you want to click on Open Taobao App. This that is over here, Open Taobao App. The reason we are going through this is because we just want to be able to view our Taobao account number. Okay, and the upgrade that Alipay has these days has been keeping people from seeing their Taobao account number, and the reason is because they are just trying to secure your accounts. Okay, they want to save you from people who can just have access to your details. So that is why they put star. Okay, so but for you to do it now, if you go through this step, you'll be able to view your Taobao account number. But one thing that I want to add to it is that make sure that you are logged into your account on your Alipay application. Okay, go to your Alipay application. Before we go further in this, go to your Alipay application and check if you are logged in. If you are logged in, you'll be able to click on me and you'll be able to see your name if you have verified your name. If you have not verified your name, you'll be able to see your phone number or something related to you, so that you'll be able to know, okay, I'm logged in already. So just leave it like that. Once you see that you are logged in, come back to this and let's see what will happen from here. So click on this Open Taobao App. So as you can see over here, it is saying this page will open in another application. So it's just asking me, that is just my phone doing that. I'll just say open. So what it will do now is that it will take me to my app store. Okay, since I'm using an iPhone, it will take me to my app store to be able to download the Taobao application. As you can see now on the screen, you can see that this is Taobao applications. This is their logo. This is Taobao's logo, and you can see the name Taobao up there. So if you are using Android, this is still the same step, but if you cannot download Taobao on your Play Store, it will take you through a process how you will be able to download the Taobao application. Or if you know that you don't know how you can go about it, just check any of my videos that is related to how you can download 1688 application onto your phone. But if you are not able to do that, or you can just research how you can do that, okay? But for now, I just want us to focus on how we can just get the application from App Store. If you are using an Android and you are having any problem, please send a comment down below, okay? So let's quickly download the Taobao app now. It has finished downloading the Taobao app. I'll just click on open to open it. So instead of it to just start displaying the product, it is asking me some kind of questions. And you know that whenever you are using any kind of app, it will definitely ask you to agree to their terms and conditions. If you remember how we did it on 1688 app that time. But if you can't remember, anyway, just follow me through and click on this orange button over here. Once you click on it, it is asking me if I will allow it to send notification to my phone. Let me just click on allow. So then it is asking me over here to agree to their terms and conditions again. I don't know, but whatever it is, you just need to keep following it through. Click over here too. So right now, okay, it is asking me if I wanted to track other websites I'm visiting. No, so ask not to track, ask not to track. So the next thing to do now is to click over here, this orange button you can see over here. Just click on it. So as you have clicked on it now, it is asking me if I want to use Alipay. As you can see over here, this is the Alipay's logo. It is asking me if I want to use Alipay to sign in. So this is what I'll do now. I'll just click on this. Down here, there is a circle down here that I have to click on to agree to this. Then I will click over here again. Then I'll click over here. So you can see that it has brought me to Alipay. What it will do is just to be able to know if I already have an Alipay account truly. You can see it says Alipay login. I just want you to follow this video through. Voila, this is my Alipay login details. Now it is displaying it for my Taobao account. Now all I have to do is to just click on agree. So I've agreed to use the Alipay account to log into Taobao. So the magic is just that instead of me to be copying the Taobao account number, I already have that. I will just be able to log in. Okay, so it's logging me in to the Taobao app. Okay, so it's just asking me if I want to use my fingerprint to be logging in all the time. I'll just say yes because I love doing that a lot. Let me just say yes. So right now, let me test the okay. This is just the account now. This is the account has been logged in and everything has been done. So how will you now see your Taobao account so that you'll be able to use it on 1688 app also? So if you want to see it, you just click down here. This is your profile over here. Click on it, and as you click on it, you will click on settings. And as you click on settings, you will just click over here. Down here you can see this my name, Adeladun. That is my own account name. If it is your own, it will bring TB something or to you. Okay, my own name is Adeladun. So click on it. Once you click on it, you will be able to see your name displayed over here. You can see these two little boxes over here. Just click so that you'll be able to copy. And right now it has copied it. So if I go to my notebook now, This is my notebook and I just paste so you can see the name. So that is my own Taobao account name. If it is your own, it may bring you TB something. So the next step will be how you'll be able to know your Alipay account number, right? I think I have made a video surrounding this, but I don't know if you have not seen the video. Let me quickly explain that also. Okay, so let's go to Alipay now. I'll click on Alipay. So this is my Alipay. I'll click on me. So once I click on me, you can see the phone number. This my name and phone number over here. Okay, click here. This your name, your picture. Just click on anywhere over here. Once you are done with that, it will take you to my account. Then you click on profile home page. So you will be able to see my account. Then you click on profile home page over here. So once you click on profile home page, the next thing is that you'll be able to see your Alipay account over here. But if you don't know, or if you're not able to see it, just click on my name card down here. Then this is your Alipay account name. Just click on this place again and it's take you back. So you'll be able to see your Alipay account number fully over here.